Find the value of the green area. Label points A, B, C, D and E. From triangle ABE. Line labeled AB equals to line labeled BE. And angle B equals to 90 degrees. It implies that ABE is a 45 degrees right triangle. Hence, angle labeled BAE equals angle labeled BEA, which equals to 45 degrees. Also, AOCD is a right triangle. It follows that angle AODC equals 90 degrees minus 45 degrees, which equals to 45 degrees. This implies that AOCD is a 45 degrees right triangle. Hence, line AC equals line CD. Let line AB equals X, which equals BC, the result equals line BE. Since line AB equals line BC. Consider triangle ABE. Line AB equals line BE, which equals to X. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line AE equals the sum of the square of X and the square of X, which equals to 2 times the square of X. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that line AE equals the square root of 2 times the square of X, which equals to X times the square root of 2. We call it equation 1. From triangle ACD. By Pythagoras' theorem, square of line AD equals the product of 8 and the square of X, after simplification of substituted values. Take the square root of the equation. It signifies that line AD equals the square root of 8 times the square of X, which equals to 2 times X and the square root of 2. But line AD equals the sum of line AE and line DE. Substitute equation 1 and the value of line AOD. We obtained a new equation as shown on the screen. Line DE equals 2 times the product of X and the square root of 2 minus X times the square root of 2, which equals to X times the square root of 2. But angle BED equals 180 degrees minus 45 degrees, which equals to 135 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degrees. From triangle BED, use cosine rule. The square of line BD equals the sum of the square of line BE and the square of line DE minus 2 times the product of line BE and line DE times cosine 135 degrees. Substitute values and we obtained a new equation as shown on the screen. It implies that 10 equals the product of 5 and the square of X. Divide the equation by 5. The square of X equals 10 divided by 5, which equals to 2. Take the square root of the equation. We have that X equals the square root of 20, which equals 2 times the square root of 5. Therefore, the green area equals half the product of line D, E, and line B, E times sine 135 degrees, which equals to 10 square units. After simplification of substituted values.